Nurses that make about $200 a month. Right? In New York, a nursing salary, they start with about $85,000 a year, and within 1 or 2 years, they're already making over $100,000. You can imagine a nurse immigrating over there. Now they get to bring their whole family. So it's not just that nurse's salary that's sending home, it would be the whole family. That would have a tremendous effect on your economy, and it would solve a problem for New York. And we started to open up that channel. We are working with your government to identify where the areas are, to make the process of the visas the knowledge out there. And we hope to build a portal, an internet portal, so that any nurse here who wants to immigrate to the United States can go to a spot on the internet, see our visa system, see links to hospitals. Hospitals in the United States can go there if they want to recruit nurses, and this will open up the flow. This will have a tremendous effect on your country as well as mine. Now, when it comes to education, we identified schools in New York and here in Pakistan that were willing to have a cultural exchange. And we came here to Pakistan on this trip, and we brought video conferencing equipment, and we did so in New York as well. And we already had them speaking, and we have schools that have agreed to include in their curriculums a culture exchange where our students can speak to their students. And for instance, a Pakistani student can learn history, American history, from an American teacher. An American student can learn Pakistani history from a Pakistani teacher. Now this is the long game, right? Because think about it. We're talking about Pakistan having a bad perception around the world. Think about young people in our schools growing up, K to 12, having had Pakistani friends from the internet, from these conferences, from these cultural exchange. It will go a long way to help that bond between our people and our societies.